Okay, hello again. So, did you all practice any questions after last class or?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So, should we quickly discuss level 2 exemplar questions, then go to level 3? Okay, let's do that. Okay, if anybody is joining in from Vibgyor, kindly let me know. I'll assign you to the Vibgyor room. Okay.
Have you checked my homework?
No, Anirban, I'm sorry. I didn't really get the time. Maybe I'll do it this weekend.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Till then, you can just cross check with the solution so that you know you are going on the right track. Okay, so let's quickly discuss the exemplar questions and then go to level 3. Okay. So the 22nd question in triangles ABC and
Ma'am,
tell me.
this is Neki. Can you add me in the polynomials group?
Oh yes, sure. Okay. Anybody else from Vibgyor? No, I think not. Okay, cool. Okay, so we were discussing the 22nd question. In triangles ABC and PQR, angle A is equal to angle Q and angle B is equal to angle R. Okay, so which two sides of triangle? Okay, let's quickly draw the figure. If we draw it, it will be easy.
Miss,
Yes, Aditya?
can you please tell what you have did till now?
Oh, nothing. I just started with the exemplar question, the first exemplar question of level 2.
Okay, miss, thank you.
Okay. So 7.2.22, right? So first let's make two triangles. Okay, so this is ABC and this is PQR. What have they given us? A is equal to Q and B is equal to R. Okay. Oh, okay. Should I just change the labeling? Yeah, that would be better. Okay, so angle A is equal to angle Q and angle B is equal to angle R. So their question is which side should be equal in these two triangles so that these two triangles are congruent. Who is going to answer? Okay, Elena says AB should be equal to QR. Okay, then which test will this be? Which test of congruency?
Yeah.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
SAS.
SAS? SAS is what?
Oh, sorry, wait.
Ha.
AAS. Yeah, sorry, I got confused.
AAS? Again. This is angle. This is side. and this is angle, so it would be ASA. These two angles are equal, so A is equal to Q. Okay, I'll just angle A is equal to angle Q and angle B is equal to angle R. Correct? Two angles are equal, and AB, if AB is equal to QR, then ASA test by, let me write, by ASA test, angle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, what else? Anything else can we include? If not these two sides, then what about this? We can also say this, right? So this is one case. The second case is if
AC equal PQ.
BC equal to PQ. Okay.
AC. AC.
Huh. Yeah. Correct. Okay. If BC is equal to PR or AC is equal to, okay, I'll use some other color. Okay, this color. Or AC is equal to PQ, then triangle. Okay, I think it's better to write CAB is congruent to triangle PQR by which test?
AAS.
Correct. AAS. Awesome. What happened to the others? What happened? I thought we practiced, no, last class? Not in the mood or studying something else, or what happened? Are you all there? Okay, so who has exams coming up? Which school has exams?
Miss,
Yes?
Since September 24th onwards, we have our terms.
Oh, okay, okay. So yeah, I think then Podar has exam next week or so. Or
8th,
kids.
ma'am.
8th. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So is this chapter included in the test?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, fine. Then let's practice. What about orchids? Molly said, yeah, orchids. Okay, 2nd September. So what about you guys? Do you also have this chapter in the test? No.
For Billabong, they've not told us the portion till now.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, Miss, it will come by 31st.
31st. Okay. So the ones who are having tests like next week, especially Podar, is there any like, do you have any particular doubts from a chapter or something like that? Facing issue with some particular chapter in maths? No. Okay. If it is so, let me know. Then. Okay. Moving on to the next question. If two sides and an angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and an angle of another triangle, then two triangles must be congruent. Is this statement true? Okay, shall we draw the figure quickly?
Ma'am, only if this angle is included.
Okay, let's see. So they are saying two triangles, correct? And what have they said? two sides and one angle. Okay, so if I say this side and this side is equal, okay, and then what if I say this angle is equal? Is this true? Will they be congruent?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, nor ASS or SA is a
Correct. It won't be AAS. AAS. No.
It would be, I think, SAS.
So the question they are asking is, they just said any two sides and one angle. Okay, Muskan has given the portion. Okay. Number system. Fine. Okay. I hope you guys are practicing those chapters. If you face any doubts or so, let us know. Okay. Then maybe we can keep a doubt clearing session. Okay. Coming back, let's check all these things. So the criteria given is only that two sides are equal, and they have just said one angle is equal. So they are not saying anywhere it's included. It can be any angle, isn't it? So this statement is false. Statement is false. When will the statement be true?
If they say two sides and included angle, then it will be SAS congruency.
Awesome, correct. Will be true if let's say if the angle is included between the sides. Okay. Next one. Okay, in triangle PQR, they have given you angle P and angle R. Which side of this triangle is longest? Give reason. This is easy. Who can answer? Did I skip a question? No. Yeah, I did skip a question. Wait, there's one more question. If two angles and one side of a triangle. Okay, so they have given you another scenario that two angles are equal and one side is equal to two angles and another side. Then the true triangles must be congruent. Okay, so then what will the situation be? It will be 7.2.24. Okay. Two triangles. Anytime you get a statement question and you feel you are getting confused, first thing draw. Okay, draw and then just take whatever they are saying. So what are they saying? Two angles and one side. So I'm going to mark two angles. Let's say this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, and one side they are saying. So I'm just going to say this side. So are the two triangles congruent? Who can answer? Come on. This is simple. Okay, one more hint I'll give you is check for all this. ASA, AAS, RHS is not applicable here, correct?
ma'am, it's congruent because AAS. The side is not included. So it's
Correct,
AAS, ma'am.
correct. Awesome. So check for all this. Am I missing out some test? Okay, I don't know. Okay, so if you see in this situation, it is congruent, right? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by, like Raghav said, it will be AAS, angle side, correct? Because AAS does not need the side to be included. Okay, so if I just change it, and even if I say suppose BC is equal to QR, okay, I'm not saying AC is equal to PR. If BC is equal to QR, still it will be congruent, isn't it? So irrespective of which side you choose, the triangles will be congruent always.
Ma'am, what is the total number of congruency rules?
Total number. Okay, then we have these, right? One is AAS, ASA, SAS, SSS, and RHS. So I think 5.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so if BC is equal to QR, it will still be congruent by AAS. And what if I say this side? Then it will be congruent by?
ASA.
Yes, awesome. If AB is equal to PQ, then by ASA. Okay, so you got it, right? So always draw the figure, which makes it, easier to comprehend the question. Okay, 25th one. In triangle PQR, P and angle R is given. Which side of the triangle is the longest? This is easy. Okay. Let me quickly do this one. Hmm. 7.2.25. Okay. So they have given you triangle PQR. They are saying P is 70. R is 30. So how much will this be? Angle Q will be
80. 80.
awesome. Anybody confused how we got 80? The angle sum property of a triangle. All angles are equal to 180. This is 100. So 180 minus 100 will give you 80. So you got angle Q. Okay. So then now which property do we use? Okay. Have you heard about this property that
Side,
side?
side opposite to the greatest angle is longest.
Correct. Awesome.
Longest.
Yes, that's correct. So PR will be the longest. So there is this property that side opposite to longest or largest angle, should I say? I can't say longest angle. Side opposite to greater angle is longest. Okay, remember to write this. This is the important statement. Therefore, PR is the longest side. So the catch in this question was you had to calculate Q. If you would have just assumed that P is the greatest angle, it would go wrong, isn't it? You just see 70, 30, say 70 is greater among the two, so QR will be the longest, then you will go wrong. So if they give you such questions, calculate the third angle also, always. Good to be on the safe side. Okay, done. Okay, try doing 27 and 28 on your own. I'll just quickly visit the other room and come, and I will do 26 after that. So question 27 and 28, try doing it on your own. Okay. Hello, how is it going? Any doubts?
Good man.
Good?
Good.
Okay. Any doubts or anything you want help from me? No? Awesome.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this
Tell.
one.
Which question?
2.3.11.
Okay. Let's open the WP. Okay. 2.3.11. Okay. Verify that. Mm-hmm. Okay. Looking at the question, I think it is something related to the identity. Which identity will it be? Something to do with the identity.
And the eighth identity.
Eighth identity. Okay. Can you tell me which is that?
Miss x plus y plus z whole cube
Mm-hmm.
minus 3x plus z is equal to x plus y plus z in a bracket
X plus Y plus Z into.
multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus z.
Okay. So yes,
Ma'am,
this
I guess in
has.
this question we have to take, I guess, RHS or LHS and make it equal, right?
Yes. So work with the LHS. Work with this. Work with the. Oh, sorry. Work with the RHS. So what will you do? Okay. X plus Y plus Z into X square plus Y square. Okay. So to get the half, what can you do if you want to introduce a half in this equation?
Miss, we can take x plus y whole square.
No. Simple trick. If you want, okay, if I want to introduce any number in an equation, what do you do? Like suppose if I have, okay, just give me a second. What happened to this? Acha, okay, I have x plus y is equal to x minus z. Okay, so now I want to write x minus z as half x minus z.
Multiply by both sides.
Correct. You can do that also, or if I just want it this side, what you do is this simply. Correct. This is how you can introduce a half without changing the equation. Correct. No, multiply and divide by the same number. Suppose I want to introduce 4. So I am going to do 4 into 1 by 4. X minus z. Any number. So just multiply and divide by the same number to get that. So on the RHS, multiply and divide by, multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Oh, my board is really lagging today. Okay. So, what I'm saying is this. Half into 2, x plus 5 plus z, 2x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. Correct? So, now just leave the half as it is and multiply the 2. Okay, what do you really need to get?
Ma'am, you're doing this in the identity, na? Not in the question.
Yeah, ma'am, question is different.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, I
Oh,
told.
it is okay, so then I think the expansion of this, what is the expansion of this identity? I think it is
Is that is a minus b whole square.
okay, wait, just give me a minute. Hmm.
Ma'am, can you start?
Can I? Sorry, I couldn't hear you. My system is hanged,
Can you
everything.
start this question again?
Yup. Just give me 1 second. I want to cross check the identity. Everything is zoomed in. Why is that? Okay, fine. Just give me 1 second. I'll come back. Huh. So, which is that identity? So you have to talk about this. Acha. Okay. It will be this. So this is the identity that, okay, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is what? Is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, so this is the identity. This is the LHS of the question, correct? The 11th one, correct? So now we'll work with this identity. We'll work with the LHS and arrive at the RHS. So step one is I'm introducing the half. Step 1, introduce half
Ma'am,
in
but
the
why are you doing this in the identity? We have to do it in the question, right?
isn't this the question that they want you to show that the LHS is equal to
No,
this?
no, question is different. It is x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square.
That I got. So we will work with this.
So
We'll
then
work
you
with
will
the
cut out the
LHS.
rows.
Yeah. And also, okay, so there is, should I write that to make this? Okay, yeah. So basically, the LHS of the question, correct? We know the expansion of this identity, isn't it? So we'll work with that. We'll work with that expansion and make it equal to the question. So this is the identity. Okay, I'll write it here. Identity. Correct. So we'll work with this and we'll arrive at the RHS. work with identity to arrive at RHS of the question. Cool. Okay, step 1 is I'm going to introduce not in the equation, in the RHS. I'm going to introduce half in the RHS. So what will that be? How do I introduce half? Like I said, multiply and divide. So x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus z x. Okay, now multiply this the 2 with the second bracket. So keep half here as it is. Correct? This is what, okay, should I just write what we need to get up here? Okay, we need to prove equal to half x plus y plus z. So that is clear, right? So we don't want to mess with the first bracket since do not do anything with it. Into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus x minus z whole square. Okay, so now I think you should know what will happen. Okay, if I multiply 2 inside this, what will happen?
Means it will be 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square
Correct.
minus 2.
Minus 2 zx. Correct. Okay. Or so bring these terms together.
But ma'am, how can you keep half for the first bracket and take 2 for the second bracket?
You can, no, it's multiplication. If it was addition, then yes, I had to add everywhere or I couldn't do that. But it's multiplication, so I can, you know, if I still expand this, so if I multiply this bracket with this, I will get the same answer if I multiply 2 into x plus y plus z into that bracket. It will be the same. Since it's multiplication, I can play around with either of the brackets. Not an issue. If it was addition, yes. Addition or subtraction you can't. Multiplication, division you can. Because actually what is this? This is also nothing but multiplication only, na? See? Isn't it? Like here in this bracket, I have to multiply 2 with every term. I can't skip a term here. That is correct. Okay. So if I just bring the terms together, it will be 2x square plus 2y square minus 2xy. Okay, this is just to show you. Isn't this? This will become... Okay. After this, what do you do? Oh, okay. They split that.
You have to factor, split it.
No. What they have done, okay, it's little difficult to see it here, but fine. Okay, so as you can see, so from this anyway you will make out that somewhere the a plus b the a minus b the whole square identity will come into play, like you said, Puneet, something to do with a minus b the whole square. Okay, I'll write it here. Okay. So what is a minus b the whole square? Is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Correct? Can you see that form here in this bracket? Also, going back to the question LHS, if you see, there is x minus y. Okay, so I'll just expand this here to show you. Okay, half x plus y plus z. This is what? X square minus y square minus 2xy plus y square minus z. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Minus 2yz. Okay, and what will this be? Z square plus x square minus 2xz, correct? Now if I bring the terms together, okay, I'm just scrolling a bit. Okay, so what will this become? Half x plus y plus z as it is. This I can write it as, so see, x square is repeating 1 2 times, 2x square plus similarly 2y square and 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2xz. Ringing any bells now? If you see this expansion, what I have written here is the same as this bracket here. Got it? No? Confusing?
Got it now.
Got it?
Got it.
So basically the only step involved here is multiplying and dividing by 2. That's all. Then just everything is okay. I'll write it here in case you're getting confused. So split this as x.
Ma'am, can you just add Arav as he got disconnected?
Oh sure. Yeah. Where is he? Okay. Done. Hi Arav, sorry I didn't realize you got disconnected. Okay, so 2y square can be written as y square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2xz. Now rearranging, I'll just write rearranging this. Okay, what will I get? This stays as it is. Always remember to write the entire thing. Okay, so this will become x square plus y square minus 2xy plus x square plus y square minus no, x square plus z square. X square plus z square minus 2zx plus y square plus z square minus 2yx. So got it now? This is your question LHS, a question RHS, sorry. Okay, any other question?
Ma'am,
Yes.
in factorizing the expressions, like instead of using the factor theorem, can we sometimes use a grouping method?
What is this method?
Grouping method, like
Acha,
first
grouping.
grouping the terms and then middle term splitting.
Acha, you mean by splitting the middle term?
Yeah,
Yeah,
because factor theorem
definitely.
is too long.
Yeah, so unless they have specified by using factor theorem in the question, never go for it actually, because it's too long and it, you know, you need to show trial and error and all that. So always resort to group splitting the middle term, or if it's by identity, check that. And last thing, keep factor theorem. Mostly if they don't mention, like they might just give you a question saying factorize, so then go for splitting the middle term. Okay, so I'll be back again. In case you have any doubts, let me know. Hello again. So did you all solve the two sums?
Ma'am, I didn't know how to do the 27th one. I figured the 28th one.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do the 27th one. Acha, okay, because of that sign, greater than wala sign. Okay, got it. Hmm. Hmm. Uh, M is okay. So you didn't get the 27th one. Acha, okay. Let's do that. M is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that AM is the bisector of angle BAC. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't think you started sharing your screen.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah, I switch between rooms. I don't know why the screen sharing stops. That's strange. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, so first thing we draw a triangle and okay, triangle ABC. So A, B, C. Now we need to draw M. What is M? M is a point on the side BC such that AM. Okay, so M is a point here and they have also given you a condition that AM is the bisector. Bisector of angle BAC. Okay, so which means it's the perpendicular bisector of this angle. Correct. Okay. So now what are they asking you? Is it true to say that the perimeter of the triangle is greater than 2am? Okay, how do you write that? What is the perimeter of a triangle?
Sum of sides.
Some,
Sum of all sides. Correct. So if I write it like this, it is correct. So what are they asking? They are asking if AB plus BC plus CA is greater than
Is
2A.
greater than
Okay. So is greater than twice this length of this bisector AM, angle bisector. Okay. So we need to prove this. How will we prove that? Okay. So there is one property. Are you aware of this? That the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Are you aware of this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. And why do I say so? Correct. No. If a triangle, two sides will be more than the sum of two sides will be more than the third side. Correct. No. Okay. So basically we use this property to solve this question. Actually, this is like a trick, or what should I say? Yeah, okay, a trick only. If ever you see such questions where there is this greater than symbol involved, or you see some symbol like this, no, greater than, less than, anything, any side, it's always this property. Okay, somehow or the other, you are going to use this property only to prove. Like even in the 26th one, the same property is involved. I'll show you, but I saw median and also I was like, I'll do it with you. Okay, so I'll quickly show it to you. It's simple. If you know this property, after that the steps are simple. Okay, so now we consider, break this into two triangles. First consider triangle ABM. Correct? I am going to use this property itself. So I can say in triangle ABM, AB and BM will be greater than AM. Correct? Any two sides I can pick, no? But since I want some relation with respect to AM, I will leave AM alone. So I am saying AB plus BM is greater than AM. Got it till here? Are you all with me? Or you need me to explain something again?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Similarly, I will take the second triangle. So maybe you would have got the hang what I'll do now. So consider triangle AMC or ACM or whatever. Again, we want AM in the equation, correct? So that's why we'll leave AM alone. We won't add anything to that. So we take the other two sides. AC plus CM will be greater than AM, correct? 2. Now combine 1 and 2. Just add them. Whenever you are given symbols like this, okay, whenever you're working with,
So, ma'am, you will add BM and CM, you will get DC, and then AB plus BC plus AC is greater than twice 2M. So
yes,
you just
awesome.
consider. So you're considering the greater sign as the equal to sign.
Yeah,
You're equating. Okay.
yes. So that's what I was trying to tell you all. So whenever you see equations with greater than sign, less than sign, don't get scared. Treat it as an equal to sign only. At this level, it's enough. You treat them as that. Maybe later on at higher levels, there are some rules. Okay, that okay when you move variables from one side to the other, the sign changes, and then there are a lot of rules involving that. So if at this level there's only going to be basic adding or basic steps, so don't worry much. It just consider it as an equal to sign, normal linear equation. How will you treat it like that? So just I'll say adding 1 and 2. So how do I add? Okay, I'm treating it as a equal to sign, so LHS I'll add together, correct? No, don't get freaked out if you see such inequality sign. Okay, so AM, correct? Or
And 2M, na?
AB,
It
sorry,
will be 2M.
yes, 2 AM, my bad. Okay, AB plus AC plus, I'll write BM plus CM in the bracket. Okay, like Raghav said, I can say BM plus CM is what? BC? AB plus AC plus BC is greater than 2 AM. So what is the question saying? Is it true to say that the perimeter of the triangle is greater than 2 AM? Is it true? Yes. The statement is true. Write that perimeter of triangle is greater than 2 AM. Got it? Anybody wants me to explain this question again?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
So, ma'am, the 26th one will also be done in the same way, right?
Yes, it's the same thing actually. The exact same thing. Oh, I didn't realize like the two questions were the same. I wouldn't have given it to you then. Okay, let me quickly do the 26th one also, but this time you all will answer because it's the exact same thing. Okay, let's do the 26th one. Okay, AD is the median of the triangle ABC. What is a median?
Ma'am, that divides the side into two, and it acts as a bisector also and forms a 90 degree.
Correct. So they are saying AD is a median. Okay, they have called it AD this time. And they are asking you that AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AD. Is it or is it not? Is what they are asking you. So, who's going to tell me the steps? How do you solve this?
And can I?
First of all,
Yes, Dhruv, go ahead. Hello, Dhruv, are you there?
it wasn't me.
And it was me who said this. Nothing.
And can I?
Okay, yeah, sure.
And
Anil,
we have to consider a triangle ADB, and we have to
yes,
label AB plus BD greater than AD, equation 1.
correct,
Then in triangle ADC, AC plus CD greater than AD, equation 2.
correct,
And have to add by adding equation 1 and 2, AB plus BD plus AC plus CD greater than 2AD, and then
correct,
AB plus BD plus AD greater than 2AM. Then the equation is yes, I hope so.
correct. So the answer is yes. Vary and solve further. You get the same thing. Okay, cool. So you got these questions. Now let's see. Okay. So try solving 30 and 31 as homework. Like it's the same thing, same principle you need to use. In 31, you will consider it as only one triangle. No need to take two triangles. Just solve these kind of questions so that you get comfortable working with inequalities like greater than, less than symbols.
Miss?
Yes, tell me.
Miss, what time is the class?
Till 4:30.
Okay.
Okay, what about this question? 29th one. Okay, try doing 29th on your own. 29th
Ma'am,
and
can I? Ma'am, we have done this type of a question.
okay, you've done it. Okay. Okay, yeah, then just tell me how will you do it?
It
Ma'am,
was in the assignment.
yes,
It
ma'am.
was in your assignment. Okay.
So should I still answer?
Yeah, yeah, sure, no problem. I won't solve it,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
you can answer. Yeah.
So, ma'am, as we can see, DC is common. So we can say all the sides of the equilateral triangle and the uh, uh, square is equal. So
Correct.
therefore, we can say DE and CE are equal,
Yeah.
and
Huh.
as it's a equilateral triangle, and
Correct.
AD equals to BC as it's a square. Now,
Huh.
uh, we have two sides, so now we have to find an angle. So AD, in angle angle ADC equals to 90 degree, and EDC will be 60 degrees because it's a equilateral triangle. So
Correct.
total will be 150 degrees. Whereas in angle BCE, angle BCD is 90 degrees, and angle BC DCE is 60 degrees. So that's
Correct.
also 150 degrees. Therefore, angle ADE equals to angle BCE. That's 150 degrees. So now we have two angles and one included angle. So we can say that it's congruent by SAS congruency.
Awesome. Correct. Yeah, so the main catch in this figure is identifying that all sides of a square are equal, that property, right? And the property that equilateral triangle, so all angles will be 60. And yeah, of course, angle of square is 90. So 3 things they want you to know. Okay, cool. Done. Then 30, 31 you do on your own. It's the same thing, same property as I just showed it to you. Okay, shall we do the find all angles of an equilateral triangle? Okay, that's a very simple question. Which question should we do? Uh, can you try the 30-second one? It's simple, but let me see. Try doing 32. They have given you two parallel lines, a midpoint, and they want you to show that M is also the midpoint of CD. How will you do that? We did this question on Tuesday.
Can I
Huh?
do?
Sure. Yes.
Then we can prove that a triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD.
Correct. How?
Ma'am, AM is equal to BM.
Huh. They are giving you that. Correct. M is the midpoint.
Angle AMC is equal to angle BMD because vertical opposite angle.
Correct.
And angle, we can say also that uh, let's say angle MBD is equal to angle MAC because alternate interior angle.
Correct.
So we can say
Awesome.
that by ASA.
Yes. And then final
So
step.
TM is equal to CM because of CPCT. So that means that midpoint of that two. Because
Very good.
those should be equal.
Very good. Yes. Awesome. Okay. So write this question. Then let's see which other question can we do. Should will you try level 2 on your own? Should we do couple of sums of level 3, or do you still want to do level 2? What is the
Level 3.
level 3?
Level 3.
Okay, chalo, we'll go to level 3. Okay. Okay, let me just check if there is any question. No, these are pretty easy. You can do them on your own. Okay, fine. We'll go to level 3. Okay, the first one, points E and F are the midpoints of equal sides ABA and AC of triangle ABC. Okay, show that BF is equal to CE. Okay,
Ma'am,
this
can I
is
solve this one?
easy. Yep.
Oh.
Yes, Raghav, tell me.
No, it's fine. If it's easy, I'm fine. I was just excited again for that.
Yeah, you can tell. I won't solve. It's good, right? I'm happy to get answers from you. Raghav, your voice is breaking.
That when
Raghav, you might have to repeat. I couldn't hear anything.
uh,
Okay, Raghav seems to be having some kind of network issue. We'll wait till he comes back. Okay. My internet is having an issue. Yeah, Raghav, try refreshing your connection. No worries, you can tell the sum later. Just try refreshing your connection once. In the meantime, try solving question 1 and 2, people. Both are like based on the similar concept. similar property. So quickly try solving those two questions. I'll be back. Hello again. How is it going? Any doubts?
Yes, ma'am, in the 16th one.
16th one. Okay, let me quickly. Polynomials. Okay, factorize. What are the factors of x plus y the whole cube minus x cube plus y cube? Okay.
Ma'am, are you saying something?
No, I was just looking at the question. I wanted to check the identities. So you can use identity for a plus b the whole cube. I mean a cube plus b cube. I mean for the second bracket, right? But what about the first bracket? What do you do for that? Okay, just
That also we have identity, right?
okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So, ma'am, you have to use two identities and then factorize them.
But then it will just become just give me 1 second. I'll just get back to you. The thing is, I don't like have identities on my tip, so I'm taking a bit time to realize what to use where.
Now, like, then do we have to take something common like x plus y?
Maybe you expand it and then you might get something common. Maybe. What happens if you expand it? Okay, just give me a second. Okay, they are saying x plus y. Why have they removed? Okay, so the thing is in the solution they are not considering the first term as cube. They are just considering it as a just a term.
Ma'am, I guess we expand it and then it gets cut or something.
Okay,
Ma'am, like,
you know
I
what?
think like this x cube plus y cube can be factorized by x plus y into x minus y whole square.
Okay, this might be crazy, but let's try it. X plus y cube minus x cube plus y cube. Okay, if I'm saying this, I can consider this entire thing as B. No, I can't actually.
No, we tried that, ma'am. That is also not common.
I really don't know what they have done because they are like, they have just.
Miss, we have to take common only. If
Okay,
x plus y is x plus y multiplied by x plus y whole square, and x cube plus y cube is x plus y and multiplied by x square minus x y plus y square. So x plus y is common.
Acha, okay, so tell me what is the expansion of the first bracket? X plus y the whole cube, what is it?
X plus y
Hmm,
in a bracket
correct.
multiplied by x plus y whole square.
Okay, minus, and the identity for this is x plus y
X
into,
plus y multiplied by x square minus xy plus y square.
correct. Okay, so then I can write this as x plus y, I'll take it common, x plus y the whole square minus, done. This is what, x minus y the whole square.
No, ma'am, because it is not 2 minus 2xy.
Oh, sorry, my bad. I really have to read polynomials. Hmm. Okay, then,
If then x plus y can it be a factor?
oh, what they have done is easy. Okay, fine. What they have done is this. Now I got it. Uh, Open this bracket.
Yes, ma'am. Then it will be cut. It will
Yeah,
get cut.
minus y square. It will become x plus y. X square gone, y square gone, minus 3xy. So basically, these are the two factors. Wait. Okay, yeah, my bad. It will be. Oh no, it was correct only. This is plus, this is also plus. Plus 3x. So these two are the factors. So nothing but x plus y and 3xy. So yes, this chapter, keep all the identities at your fingertips so that whenever you see any question, you are able to relate which identity to use where.
Miss, then x plus y whole will be a factor, or x and y will be a factor.
Mm, okay. Uh,
You have to write now कि the factors are x plus y and 3xy.
you can just leave it at this step. Actually, you can't really say whether x will be a factor or y will be a factor because there is no variable equation, right? If you get something like this, if you get something like x plus 2, then we say x plus 2 is a factor and you can substitute it as a 0. You can, find the 0 of this and substitute it and all that you can do. But here it will be nothing but x is equal to minus y. Can you substitute that? No, you can't. So no, just leave it at that. This is the final answer. Nothing beyond that. Okay, any other questions? Oh, Atharva is asking me something. Sorry, Atharva, I did not see the chat. Yeah, I'll solve the question. Why not? 2.3.20. Okay. The second one. Acha, interesting. 8p cube 8p cube minus plus 12 by 5. Okay, plus 12 by 5. Wow, my board itself shut. Okay, just give me a second. Hmm. We were on 2.3.20 part 2. Correct? 8p cube plus 12 by 5p square plus 6 by 25p plus 1 by 125. Okay. So from this I can say this is something related to 5 if you go to see the
Plus
denominator.
1 by 125.
125. I made it 125. Correct, na? So if there is a cube, so what will the identity be used here?
Miss, but there is no other cube. We will have to take a 1 by 125 as
1 by
common.
5 whole cube, na? Last term.
Last term is 1 by
Yeah,
5 cube. So this is what, okay, let's break this down. This is 2 cube, p cube, correct? What is this? What can I write this as? This 12 can be written as? No, it cannot be written as. It can be
is
written
3,
as
2p square plus 1 by 5. Multiply by 1 by 5.
3 by 5. Okay, and this can be written as, again I can take 3 by 5 out. No, I can take 3
3
out.
into 2p into 1 by 5 whole square.
Oh yeah, I forgot p here. 3 into k into 2p plus 1 by 5 cube. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the expansion of its identity. What is the expansion?
A cube plus b cube
Hmm.
plus 3a square b plus 3ab square.
So see, does this match with this? It does. Okay, forget it.
by
Clear?
5 into 3 into 1 by 5. So we get there.
Correct. So this
Miss,
becomes,
so I took like I did a different method also, where I took 1 by 125 as common.
how will you take it as common? Like, okay, you should get the same factor then. What are you getting the factor as?
Miss, I'm getting 1 by 125 into 10t plus 1 whole cube.
Okay, it gets simplified actually. So this is 3a square and my b is 1 by 5, correct? And this I'm going to write it as 3 into a into b square plus, oh, okay. So I'm just for reference, I'm writing it here. This is a cube, this is 3a square b, this is 3ab square, and this is b cube. So what will my factor be? 2p plus 1 by 5 whole cube. So Puneet, you should arrive at this expression. If you arrive at this by that method, then
Yeah,
okay. Okay. Okay, any other question? Ha, 6 by 25, yes, sir. Okay. You got it right? Okay, any other doubt?
So basically, more than half of this chapter is based on identities only.
Yeah, actually, polynomials, they'll only ask you identity. Like questions on remainder theorem are like 1 marker because there's not much you can do there. It's just you directly substitute the 0 and you show that it's, the remainder is 0. That's it. So that will be just like easy question. These questions based on identities will carry more marks because these are application based. Factor theorem, I guess it will come very rarely. I'm not really sure if that has more importance, but identities definitely have the maximum importance in this chapter.
Can you tell about this 2p plus 1 by 5?
Sorry, Shivesh, I didn't get you.
No, ma'am, nothing. It's okay, I understood.
Oh, okay. So make it a habit of writing the identities every day, like keep a book or something and write it every day. So by writing it every day, it will just get registered. You don't have to take much effort in memorizing it. Okay, fine. We still have like 5 or so minutes. Do one more question if you want. I'll be back. Hello again. Did you all solve the questions?
Yeah, miss. 1, 2, and 3 done.
Oh, 3 also done. Awesome. What about the rest?
Done.
Done. Okay, shall we see the fourth question together? A, B, and CD respectively. Okay, A, B, and CD are respectively the smallest and longest sides of a quadrilateral. Show that angle A is greater than angle C and angle B is greater than angle D. Okay, let's do this question. No, Amay, the class is till 4:30. We'll just do this one question and then you can go. So we have covered level 2 almost everything. Level 3 NCRT. Then maybe next time we can do level 3 exemplar. Okay. This is good enough practice. This is good actually. We've done quite a lot of practice. Okay, so just let's do this last question and wrap up. Okay.
Miss, are you discussing or we are doing?
I'm discussing. I'm here. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We do it together if you can answer, nothing like it. Okay, this is our quadrilateral and A, B, C, D. Okay, fine. A, B, C, D. Okay. Given?
Question number is 7.3.4.
Oh, sorry. I'm like, that polynomials chapter is question, that chapter 2 and they were doing level 3. So I just got confused completely. Sorry. It's 7.3.4. Yes. So AB is not smallest, have they given? Yeah, they have smallest side, and CD is longest side. So if I say AB is the smallest side, what can I say about the angle? Okay, to prove, what do you want to prove? Angle A is greater than angle C and angle B is greater than angle D. So basically, what is angle A? Let's see, this is angle A, this is angle C, this is angle B, okay, angle D. Okay, so let's divide it into triangle. That will make our life easier. I will divide this into triangles, correct? Okay, we'll have to label them as something, otherwise you'll get confused. Okay, let's keep this X, Y, and Z, and let's keep this 1, 2, and 3. Cool. Okay, now we'll consider this triangle. Again, like I said, whenever you see this greater than less than sign, which property are we going to use?
Ma'am, sum of two sides is bigger than the third side.
Correct. Or in this case, we can also use the property that, okay, in a triangle ABC, which property are we going to use is this? Angle opposite largest side is greater. This one also can be used. Okay, so they are saying, so in this case, yes,
Ma'am, the line which you have drawn to make it into two triangles AC, is that bisecting angle A and angle C, or it is just?
no, it's just a line. It's not bisecting. That's why I labeled it differently, right? If it was bisecting, I would have just labeled them the same, like X and X or something like that. Okay, so we know that AB is the smallest side, right? So I can say, since AB is the smallest side, AB is smallest side, correct? Or also, how do you write this as? BC will be greater than AB, correct? No, AB is the smallest side, so any other side will be greater than that. So I'm going to say, what am I going to say? So side opposite AB is, angle opposite AB is Z, correct? So Z is less than, greater than. Are you all with me?
Less.
Better.
I think less.
Correct. Z is less than X. Okay, so what I've done here is angle opposite BC is X, angle opposite AB is Z. So Z is less than X. We got this? Correct? Now we will take triangle, the other triangle, ADC, correct? CD is longest side given. So now what am I going to say? So basically we are taking these angles only which we need to prove. So A and C, Leah. Now we'll take B and D. Like in ADC, CD will be largest, longer than AD. Correct, no? Which means this. So angle opposite CD is angle 1 is greater than angle opposite AD is 3. Correct? So what will I do? 1 plus Z. I will just adding 1 and 2, 1 plus Z. Okay. Okay, so in this case I might have to show you some operation of inequalities. Cool. Fine, I'll do that. Okay, so I can't just add them directly. Why? If I'm going to ask you this question, why can't I add them directly? I want to
One is
add.
a variable, one is a constant.
No, nothing like that. This is angle 3 and angle 1. The thing is, if you see, there are different signs. So what the sign will be if I add the two? Will it be less than or will it be greater than? Which sign will I take? So I just rearrange this equation and write it like this. X is greater than angle Z. Correct? The meaning is still the same. Correct? No? Everybody with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to write, so I will add this. So now what will it become? Angle 1 plus angle Z is greater than angle, angle 1 plus angle X is greater than angle Z plus angle 3. What is angle 1 plus X?
Angle A.
Angle A. Awesome. So this is nothing but angle A and Z plus 3 is angle C. Got it? Now similarly we do for proof for angle B and angle D. Okay, so for that what will we do? For that we'll consider this figure. We won't consider the same figure because we don't have information about the other sides, right? So we'll draw it again.
Then we should make a line of D and D.
Awesome, yes, you got the hang of it. So I will join P and D. So we'll label them. Okay, this time let's change the labeling. Let this be P, Q, and R. And what should I label this as? 4, 5, 6. Okay. So again, I'll consider in triangle A, B, D. AB is smallest side, or I can say AB is less than BD. AB. AB is less than AD. Okay, yeah, we won't consider BD. Or I can say angle opposite AB is angle R is less than, what is angle opposite AD? Angle Q. This is 1. In triangle BDC, okay, you write the remaining things. I'll directly write the angle thing. So DC is the longest side, so angle 4 will be greater than angle 6. That is 2. Correct? So again, I will rearrange this and write it like this. Angle Q is greater than angle R. So now I'll add 1 and 2. What will I get? Angle Q plus angle 4. Oh, angle 4 is greater than angle R plus angle 6. Q plus 4 is D and D. Done. You got it, right? What we have done here?
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, I didn't understand in the first part, like angle X is greater than angle Z, that part, because if AB is the smallest side, then
Correct. So this property is there, right? Angle opposite largest side is greater. So what can I say if I were to, not exactly the reverse. The other part of this statement will be angle opposite to smallest side is smaller. Correct? So angle opposite to AB is what? Z. This is the smallest side, right? Out of these three sides in the triangle, AB will be the smallest side. So Z will be less than XY. Any of them. In this case, we are not considering Y because it's not of use to us. So Z will be less than X.
so ma'am, you reverse the property that the opposite side to the smallest angle will be small, will be
Ah,
less.
it's not the reverse actually, it's like the extension of this property itself. So like if I say angle opposite largest side is greater, it automatically means angle opposite smallest side will be smaller or smallest, whatever. It's just an extension of this property. Okay. Okay, then if you don't have any more doubts, you can leave.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, any portion is related in this chapter?
I have no
Any
idea
topic?
actually.
Okay.
No, ma'am. Only we have a cut in only Heron's formula and I yeah, only Heron's formula for Podar.
Ma'am, in Billabong, they didn't do inequalities in my class. The teacher said it was cut from the portion, so she didn't teach.
Oh, all this, you mean this in triangles?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. I really don't know about this, whether it is there or not. Because ninth, I guess it will be more school specific, right? They can choose what they want to keep or what they want to delete. But it's good to know all of it. Later at the end, it should not create panic situation, right? That we didn't study this. So just keep it at the back of your head. And what is deleted in Heron's formula?
Ma'am, only the application base is cancelled in Heron's formula and triangles is two exercises of triangles.
Miss,
Yeah.
Miss, in lines and angles, ratio and proportional terms questions are removed.
Okay. That's only specific to your school?
Ma'am, actually, when we had asked our teacher for the exam, she said that from the chapters they thought before the deleted syllabus, they might ask the full chapter, but she said they'll specify more details later when the portion comes out. So we'll do
Okay. Okay. Fine. That's okay. Yeah. Okay then. So if you don't have any doubts, you can leave. Bye bye.
Thanks a lot, Miss.
Bye.
Bye, Miss.
Hello again. So shall we end the class?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Yeah, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.